Right, Eric, we're here in Liberty Hall for your headline show.
Yeah.
And I've been around the block in terms of the comedy circuit in Ireland, England, done festivals and all the lot, but how does it feel right now to have this show today?
I am very excited, very nervous, and it's been booked in a long time. Jamie from MCD was very good enough to take a chance and book me in. I've been inspired by my good pal Willa, who does the podcast with me. Willa, as you know, is bigger than Taylor Swift at the moment, just sells out venues like that. And he says, you know, Eric, you can do that as well. So it's stepping out of the comfort zone a little bit. You know, speaking to Brian, who's opening for me tonight, good pal of mine, and you know, I think over the last couple of years I've become a little bit stagnant because I'm just doing comedy clubs. I'm not challenging myself. And tonight is me stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit, challenging myself, trying to sell tickets, and coming up with a good hour that people walk away and go, do you know what? We had a good fucking night there. And that's the plan. It's a line in the sand moment for me tonight, that I hope to produce a new show every year and keep coming back to venues like this and slowly build a following.
In terms of the name of the show, obviously it's pretty self-explanatory, Lalor by nature. But do you remember where you were when you came up with the idea, and was it one of them kind of light bulb moments where when you hear it or see it, it just lands there like that's the one?
I know exactly where it was because I'd only gotten off the phone to Jamie about MCD and doing this gig in Liberty Hall, and whom I usually sat beside, yeah, Willa. And Willa went, do you know what? Do you know what you should call it? Lalor by nature. And I went, that's a fucking breaker. And now Willa's usually bleeding full of dad jokes and corny jokes, but that was like, do you know what? That's actually really good. Now it does imply that I'm the one who's doing all the laughing, but hopefully tonight the crowd will join with me.
I just want to ask you, do you have any pre-match or pre-show kind of rituals on the day you do to prepare or anything like that?
It's about an hour to go now to the show or so. So we're about 20 minutes to go. It's only 20 minutes before I'm going to say, so Brian's going on first and then there's going to be an interval. So as soon as that Brian comes off stage, I'll have about 15-20 minutes before I go on stage, and I'll take a little bit of time to compose myself. I might listen to a bit of music. I will turn off the phone, and I'll just run through my set one more time, and hope everything works out great.
Right, Brian, we're opening for Eric today. Do you want to just give us your name, kind of how you got into comedy really briefly, and how you're feeling for tonight?
Yeah, my name's Brian Gallagher. I got into comedy because I always wanted to try it. I tried it, it worked out, I'm here. I feel good about opening for Eric. Eric's a great act. Very humbled to be asked to open for him, so I'm looking forward to it. Just going to go out there and give it my best, I suppose, and hopefully leave them in a nice warm glow for after the interval for Eric to bring it home and smash his show.
Where are you walking out then?
This is the one, Stone Roses.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage your opening act of the evening, the wonderful Mr. Brian Gallagher!
Hello, Liberty Hall. How are we doing?
It's one of the best stories I've ever heard. Your dad on the bookies, and then someone comes out, everyone on the fucking floor now! And the dad just stands there. Mad cunt! And it was like, mad bastard! And I'm getting on the floor. The thoughts of that, like, you described them, some of those stories.
That's what I am now to you.
Yeah. What I mean, I'll go to
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Eric!